those who sacrificed. In the echoes of the past, their voices still resound, but we've forgotten the courage that once was renowned. They explode this world, the ground we stand upon. They inspired the heroes, now their legacy's gone. A mistake so unforgivable, etched in history's page, but I believe that the age of the brave will return with rage. Remember when the world honored the brave, and they gave their lives so others could be saved. They were giants, leaders, guardians of souls, their souls. But now we walk in shadows, lost in empty rows. In the silence of our hearts, their strength still calls, but we buried their light beneath these towering walls. They explode this world, the ground we stand upon. They inspired the heroes, now their legacy's gone. A mistake so unforgivable, etched in history's page, but I believe that the age of the brave will return with rage. There's no deference now to those who changed our fate, but the age of the brave, it's never too late.